making pancakes.
It's waffles.
A waffle.
Heart-shaped waffle.
Yes! So, the waffle is so cute. Okay, there. And this right now.
Unit 23, this is one of the first finished product. And this is the pancake mix. And this is the waffle cooker or the waffle maker.
Yeah, and it's a heart shape. It's a heart shape like a heart or anything else.
This
Yes.
the second. Whoa.
Wow, it's so cute. It's on the ceiling.
On the top. And then we're done for the second.
A second one done. The second one is so cute. This is the second one. Here, this is waffle. This is. Oh, this is one. The first.
Tagal to ah.
This is so gay.
Tikman mo na. Gusto mo na.
Only a little bit. Like,
Huwag lang. Huwag lang. It's good. Ito mo na. Tikim mo na, tikim.
That's so delicious. That's really good.
Tawagin mo si kuya, sabi mo bili ka ng ano. Ay, wala pala akong money. Saan yung money ko dito? Nagulog. Pag wala na yatang ano, wala nang...
And the makeup baking pancakes. Here I found a pancake. A stick.
Yan, no.
That's delicious.
Hindi ko ma-open.
Oh my god. Ate Pony. Ate Pony. It's Taylor Swift. This is a Taylor Swift. I call my edit. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It's stuck to the ceiling again. Maybe press the wall. Look at the soda. Wow, that's so cool. And it get a pill. Oh, fun.
Ay, naku, matatapon pa yun, Pony. Ano, Pony? Sige, hawakan mo na lang.
No. Touching the sand. Their Papa's here. The basket steps. Next stop. We already made the other one. So let's go make another one.
The third, the fourth
What are you
one.
doing there?
We are making pancakes.
Wow, lakas talaga ng kamay mo ah.
Kaya nga pa kami dito.
Oh, kita. It's a basketball.
Basa nga ulit. Basa.
Malaiusap the original hot cake mix.
Fluffy and tasty.
Fluffy and tasty. Mmm!
Puntahan ka na ng baho.
Finish na? Not yet.
There's a lot pa. You want to eat na?
No, Mami, lalagyan natin yung ganito ng ice cream.
Oh, kaya na kaya gusto niya. Gawan ko 4 na peraso.
Okay, 4?
4 tapos tig 2 kayo. Tapos si kuya naman.
No! Dapat 5.
Gagawin ko naman ito lahat.
Okay, gagawin ni Mami lahat.
Patay mo na TV.
Nag-wash si Papa.
Patay nyo na TV! Hindi na kayo makakanood niyan! Patay mo na doon. Sabihin mo kay kuya. Oh, sorry na si kuya mo.
Grandpa too. Bring on the paper. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chupa, chupa, chupa. What? We're almost done. I'm still hungry. Oh! You almost see this girl. Look at this. Look at this, Ate Pony. Let me see.
Hello everyone! Today we're ugly. No, we're beautiful and lovely.
Pancake.
Waffle!
Apricot me out. Apricot out.
Di pata-pata po.
Almost see this. You might go. Oh, tingnan mo!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh no!
Kaya nga.
Iyo pa kaya mo!
Huwag mo i-overmix. Hindi ko nga ino-overmix eh.
Overmix. Sarara. Umamak.
Ay! Sige.
Guys, did you know this is a pencil? No, give me that. This is actually clay. No, it's a pencil. If you make it as a pen, it'll make something good. I will wash my hands. Wash your hands before eating.
Ay po, nasira na. Wala na tayong ano.
We don't have a second one. Let me
Wala na
see.
tayong ano, wala na tayong... Saan na kaya yung 50 pesos ko?
There's a lot of here.
Huwag mo nang ano-ano yun. Nasira na eh.
Oh, it's ugly. Oh, it's ugly!
Kasi wala nang butter.
We have butter. Wait.
Wait. Naluto ko na nung nag-ano ko, carbonara last week.
Mommy, can I get here?
I think it's still, ano,
The ice cream?
ay pa naman siya. Ayan, still, it's some kind of crack, but it's still good. Napaagal lang yung open, tsaka naparami yung butter natin.
I think this is gonna be crunchy.
Pag mo, iras mo lang, iras mo. Iras mo lang siya. Oh, isa pa, isa pa. Hindi mo kailangan hawak-hawakan yan.
I think that. Keisha is back.
Krish, magano ka nga. Magsutali ka buhok mo. Pagbulo. Tali ka hair. Bakit ikaw nagtatali? Hmm? Yung buhok mo nandyan na. Nandyan na ah. Nasang buhok na yan. Pancake, i-flavored buhok ni Pony na yan.
Last one. These my ingredients for the vintage.
Go get mo na yung kuha na kayo ng platito nyo.
Potato.
Tsaka yung ice cream. Tsaka kutsara. Help mo si ate. Platito. Tsaka kutsara. At tsaka ice cream. Kuhanin mo na yung ice cream tsaka kutsara. Ito lang, madumi yan anak.
Ice cream.
Matunaw na nga ito.
Vanilla.
O, kutsara!
Ay, pancake time. And ice cream.
Yes.
Pancake.
Ano sa'yo?
Huh?
Ay, tunaw na.
It's
O,
okay.
paano kakainin? Ito
It
sa'yo.
looks like sauce. It looks like
Tama
sauce.
na, done na.
Ako din. Butter. Ako
Wala
din.
na.
Ako
Wala
din.
nang butter yun eh. Ayun na.
Ay, saan spoon ko?
O, wala siya. Kuha ka spoon, anak.
The ice cream.
Ayan na. Wala nang ano, naghahatakan na sila. eh.
It's a fat one.
It's popping.
Oh my god, who gets the fat one?
Pwede naman ano, mantika pala. Ito, nagalang yung mantika. Wow. You show your finish, ano.
Finish result.
Finish results. Wala mantika.
This take hours, but the other one is fast. Like, look. Yes, fast.
Teka, kumakain na kami. I have a pop, ano. It's ano, it has a laman.
Wow.
Oo.
Sarap.
Nakagawa na ako para makakain na sila. Partial.
Okay naman, oh.
Nag-ano lang. Maangat.
I think yours is slow rising. It's slow rising.
Ha?
Hindi na makabaon yun sila.
Ako, si ano lang, si ano ito, makakabaon yan. Gagawa tayo bukas. May natira ka pa ba dyan?
Ayun siya. Kumain ko na isa.
A little bit.
I want some more, but wala akong kutsara. Ano ba yan?
This is actually good. Guys, it tastes so delicious. Yeah.
Good. The dessert.
This is the best dessert I ever seen.
Ice cream and
I will
waffle.
rate it a 10 out of 10. 1 million.
Out of
I'll class that 1 million.
1 million out of 1 million.
Uh-huh. So
Yeah.
Eba. But the boy tastes good. The ice cream.
Hindi na lumalamig eh.
Have more?
Ha? Wala, ibalik mo na lang muna sa face mo yung ice cream na. Para lumamig pa siya. Baka na... Ay! Nabigyan mo si Kesha din. Sonia. Hmm.
Did you want some water?
Just use the pink baso. No,